This how-to video is going to be on how to email log files directly from your VT3000 system. And this method's predicated on the fact that you already have email set up on your system, so that you're receiving emails for warrant for calls when they're going out, or you're receiving text messages when calls go out. You could also possibly be getting reports emailed to you sometime during the week. As long as you have that functionality enabled, then this will work. If you don't have that enabled, you'll need to select a different method. So there's a couple other ones on the website. So basically, we want to select the VT3000, the core software, and then we're going to go under diagnostics to logs. So we can select it there, or we can do it this way: diagnostics, logs, and basically you're going to see this. So when you select this down arrow, all your logs are kind of separated. So you got AMS first, then you got connectivity. You have virtual panels 4, it's represented by VP4. Here's your reporting, VRS2, and then VT3000. So VT3000 has a control center portion, a service portion, and then a web interface. So your technician should tell you exactly what file he's looking for. And essentially, once you know what that is, you just kind of scroll through to find out which one it is. I'm going with they want the VT3000 service warning file, which is kind of a one we generally ask for. So right here, this is where it's at. I basically click it. Now I've got this whole log file showing up here. And so what I want to do is up here in this right hand corner, there's this email to VersaCall symbol. So I'm just going to click that. It's going to ask for who you are, so please give us your name and your email address, just so that we can correspond back to you. And then if you want to provide a phone number, that's great. If not, no big deal. I always like to say, put some message in there. If a technician specifically asks you for it, you can say, this log was by Joe, right? Joe, whatever. So that now when we get it on our side, we know if it was for a specific technician, we'll make sure they get it. And essentially just hit submit, and then this will go through. It's not going to go on Throne Mine because I don't actually have an email set up, but your side it would. And once you're done with that, it's going to return you to that logs menu here. Now that means that file went out to VersaCall. And this will conclude our video on how to email a log file. Look forward to talking to you later.